Hi guys, welcome to the new ISO builder. By the way, I just invested on a 2 terabyte hard disk, and all is fine, all is well. We can build from this one as well. So it's just a bay, you pop out an SSD, you pop in an SSD. It's a total different operating system, total different desktop. It's whatever you want, but keep one operating system per SSD. It's so super simple, no worries. Keep it simple and stupid. The video I'm showing you now is, well, the fact is that there is another theme, right? I just gave a great tip to somebody, and people want to learn about Polybar, which is great because it's a great bar that has lots of modules, lots of people work on it, so you'll find more scripts online and you can try to incorporate it and make it your own. And that's basically what we do here on Leftwm. This is the menu. Thank you, Peter, for making this for us. A menu that pops up. It's Rofi, it's RASI coloring and all that. So we borrow code from each other. It's typically Linux, right? And we make it our own because it's never gonna be 100% perfect. So we need to be able to write into the code and change the colors and change this and change that. So that's the fun. So join us on Leftwm. That's the, here you can see it, that's the Windows Manager or the desktop we're playing with, and we already have some updates, some aliases. Alt LT stands for Leftwm theme, and then upd stands for update, and the new guy you're looking at is mesh. So here is a line current. Current is the one you're looking at, right? So this is the current thing. This is the menu. Right mouse click, same thing. And if you want to exit, we have this nice beautiful logos that of course you can change if you like to. Suite, for example. And then if you do it again, it will be nicely, oops, did not save that. So suite, save settings, escape, and then it's all in line. It's the same icons as the icons we should have, right? If we want to change these icons, these are the Sardi icons. Alt F3, the Sardi icons. But if you want to say, bah, I've seen them already, let's go to Alex Appearance. Alex Appearance is not loaded, so I can continue educating people with a sudo pacman -s Alex Appearance. And which one do you want to have, right? Which one do you want to have? Yep, I thought so. There are a few of them. There are one for obconf, which stands for open box, and I think the best one for us here is the GTK 3. Otherwise, part of open box will be installed. That's not the point. Voila, we've got Alex Appearance. Mouse cursor is here, icon theme is here, there you are. Applied, color is here, widget is here. Our dark is good for me, but there are so many choices. So choose. And then we got these things. And then these icons are more in line with the buttons that we have here. And then maybe a Ctrl-T, and you say, nah, I'm gonna make a lolcat for it so that it's gonna be nicer, more colorful, the terminal fun. Click. It's a bit slow, and there you go. Ctrl-T. Now we have this. So we have themed our little world a little bit with some icons, and that's the fun, right? Everything you see and you touch, you can change, and that's why, basically, why we're on Linux. All right, enjoy.